get this one cooking. Now I've got this, which is a disc plus a ring here. I'm going to drop it on here. First, let's start with the graph. Is it going there? Did I hit go?
Are you zoomed, maybe?
Oh.
Yeah, it's up top there. Just out of the graph.
Oh, yeah. Okay, here we go. Let's try a new run. There it is. Sorry about that. Now, I'm going to try and drop this on here and have this work. Ah! Let's try again. All right, let's start over. Just give me a second. Got a new one here. Okay, there it goes. It's tough to get these on here just right. Try my best. Hey! All right. So, in this case, we don't need the red one because that was bad. We don't need the green one. I think that was also bad. And so here we go. We can get these numbers. Do I have my XY yet? Here it is. So that's pretty close to just before. So at 9.6 seconds, we see it's 3,070 degrees per second. Down here, what do we get? Oh, geez. That's not what I wanted. Let me just get my XY down here. Forget that. You don't need that. Okay, and so over here, at about 9.9 seconds, it looks like you have 600 for the angular velocity. Again, this is time in seconds, and the angular velocity is being measured in degrees per second. Got it.